Mr. Dalba, this is for you.
Remember that's Paige. That's Sarah. You had her in her class.
Sarah,
Paige.
if you don't remember me, there's going to be some problems, Mr. Dalba. Ready? Okay. Paintbrush, 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 paintbrush. Ah, Mr. Smith, it's Mr. Smith in the halls. Paintbrush, paintbrush. Spin.
Mr. Dalba, this is because you're the best art teacher ever. We love you!
Hi, Mr. Dalba. I miss you.
Hi.